Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can become an Etsy affiliate, so let's get right into it. Now, to become an Etsy affiliate, you do need to sign up for the affiliate program just by going to etsy.com/affiliates, and you'll arrive at this screen. Here, as you'll see, you'll have the opportunity to join their affiliate program. This is media, editorial, publications, and bloggers, and you can join it to earn commission, gain insights, and access to native ads that can enhance your site's content as they place it. You can also join the Creator Collective, which is a bit different from the affiliate program, but I'll be focusing on the affiliate program for now. So just click on Apply Now, and that's going to take you here to the Etsy ROW affiliate program, and you should just go over all of this here to see how you can join up. Now, as you can see, you can sign up or log in to join the program with this ID right over here, and you'll see all of the overview and program terms right over here, which I do recommend you go over. It just says who they are, who is eligible for the program, and who are Etsy sellers and everything. You'll also see PPC, transactions, branding, notice periods, and deduplication, and in general, who is eligible for the program. Pretty much all affiliates are welcome to apply to the program. However, certain profiles are not eligible at this time, including cashback and voucher code sites. And to read more, you should read their full terms of use to gain the full insight into how that functions. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You just go to this site, go to sign up, and to the left you'll see sign up and join program or log in and join program. Just go through that, follow the steps and instructions, and you should be fine. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.